So guys, how are you today? Welcome to my channel. Yay! So today, kaya walay ika-vlog. Ngita ko i-vlog. So, more ni ako i-vlog today. This is Bio skincare oil. Helps improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Helps improve the appearance of scars and stretch mark and uneven skin tone. It is also effective for aging and dehydrated skin. Contains the breakthrough ingredient porcelain oil, which reduces the thickness of the formulation and makes it easily absorbed. Apply twice daily for a minimum of 3 months. During pregnancy, apply twice daily from the first trimester until after birth. Suitable for sensitive skin and non-comedogenic individual. Result will vary for internal use only. So this one, Bio. So money siya looks like sa Bio. Shake na to ha. Shake. Dapat ibutang sa scars din pa. Diba? Na ako scars din. I think this is good for flat scars, not keloid scars. I'm not for sure. Because it's whitening. It's got like brightening on it. Na siya pang paputi. Paha na ako sticky stuff in here. This one here, kabantay maanay dere mo ani siya kana siya. So this is what it looks like. Bio. Let's go put this in the forehead. I hope I don't get pimples. Unta dili ko pimples on. Unta ula ko flat tire today. Oh, sige. Siya pa na akong vlog for today. See you next time. Bye! Akuan ko yung adlaw. Di ko kita. The sunshine is glaring my eyes. Siya maura to, guys. Siya mag-relax sa atin pa, ha? Ito po kita, ha? Line up na ang mga tao. Siya daghan nagtao diri, oh. There's a lot of people right now here picking up their kids. And then maura na siya. Okay, ate butang. 4 minutes, so we got 30 minutes more. So mauna na siya ang atong i-vlog today about Bio. Siya kaulion ako sa Pilipinas pero di ko kauli kay walay sapi. Siya kanusapa ka ako kauli. So guys, I am watching Virgil, what's that? Virgilin Cares. Si Virgilin Cares, popular YouTuber na siya. Which kanang ginatabangan nila ang mga pobre. Ginatabangan niya ang pobre nga. 5 minutes na. Mga pobre. Siya maora na guys. Virgilin Cares. That cares for the poor people. Siya mauna guys. Bye!